Welcome back to the Stockholder channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a cryptocurrency that's been growing a lot. However, in the last few days, it's taken quite a significant dip. But before we get into XLM Stellar, which is the crypto I'll be talking about today, let's take a look at how the crypto market is doing this month. A lot of people are losing out, except for the stable coins. I have a video here on the channel talking about stable, Coca, Hype, and a few other cryptocurrencies, just a handful of them. Those are the ones that are still managing to hold strong. But look at the rest. Solana dropping 23.5%, Naya down 30%, Bomb 39%. This could be an excellent opportunity for investors. When you look at the week, it's still in free fall. A lot of people are losing out. Check it out. Monero down 21.4, Dash 29.8. There are a lot of coins in free fall, which could be a great opportunity for investors who want to get into cryptocurrencies, at least on the day I'm recording this video. Things have improved a bit. A lot of people here managed to recover a little, but they're still dealing with heavy losses. Hype is down 17%. All of this is because Bitcoin has plummeted a lot recently, even though today it's going up a little. But Bitcoin is already down 19% for the year, dropping to $78,000. And that ends up dragging down all the other cryptocurrencies. But let's talk about XLM Stellar here, XLM Stellar. On the day I'm recording this video, it's worth 17 cents on the dollar, but it has already reached 50, 60 cents, even $1. And that ended up dragging down a lot of investors' portfolios, and a lot of people are upset about it. People comment. They comment here on the channel because I have a lot of videos here talking about XLM, Stellar. But notice that if you look at the past year, it's already down 50%. This month, it's down 24.4% and 14% just this week. XLM, which used to be in the top 10, has already dropped to position number 18. All of this is because its market capitalization has fallen to $5.73 billion, and the trading volume in the last 24 hours was $128 million. No doubt, that's a lot of money, but XLM keeps falling, dragging the market down with it. And because of that, a lot of investors are pretty upset. I'm here on the coinmarketcap.com website where I pulled up XLM's entire history. Just look at XLM over the whole period. Since its launch, it's already gone up by 5,809%. No doubt, 5,809%. It's a significant volume, but notice how XLM has these spikes. It shoots up all at once, then gradually drops as people cash out their profits. Then it goes up again and comes back down as people take what they can. That's what causes those swings. So I already had 3 really strong swings. These are big growth explosions that end up with people cashing in their profits afterward. Notice that 84% of the community believes it will go up, while 16% thinks it will go down, with an average of 211,000 voters. These are people who still believe in XLM. When you look at the entire price history of XLM, let me pull up the full chart here. You can see it all. In the past year, its lowest price was 16 cents and its highest was 51 cents. So in less than a year, it dropped to 16 cents and then went up to 51 cents. So those who knew how to trade and bought at the low were able to make money. So this 17 cents could be an opportunity. If you look at a longer period, its price reached 93 cents. I'm talking about 2018 here, about 8 years ago, and its lowest price was less than 1 cent. So there's still a pretty big percentage difference. Anyone who managed to buy at its lowest value is making money. Now, notice that 84% of the community believes it will go up, and 16% believes it will go down, with 211,000 people voting. So 84% of 211,000 people voted for an increase, and they're believing in it. In the rise of XLM, when you look at XLM's price history here, you can see that its lowest price was less than 1 cent, and its highest price was about 93 cents. That was in 2018, right around then, in 2018. Since then, it's only gone down, although there have been a few small upticks, right? When you look at the last year here, take a look. The highest price was 51 cents, and the lowest price was 16 cents. Who managed to make a trade there? During this 1-year period, they made money. Also because they were able to buy at about the current price and managed to leverage it. Quite a bit, right? When you look at all the exchanges here, you can see that a lot of them are offering yield for XLM, and everyone is trading at around 17 cents. For sure, these are significant volumes, and the brokers are working really hard. Here's some news pieces about XLM, nothing too significant, just some articles to fill space in the newspapers. There are some exchanges offering yield, so you can see that, except for BigJet, which is offering 1% here. When you look at the tokens and the unlocks here, it's 100% unlocked, so there's nothing left to enter the market. And as for allocations, 49% is in its incentive ecosystem. So, no doubt, it's still a bit centralized, the other part, but I still believe XLM is really worth it. When you look at a bit of XLM's history here, and here are some similar cryptocurrencies. Take a look at XRP, Cardano, Cosmos, Bitcoin, Sui. And now, let me know in the comments if you like this kind of video. Give it a like, leave your comment. I'll leave a link in the first pinned comment for what? So you can open an account at crypto.com and you can earn up to $30 based on what you do there at that point, okay?